SEED Airdrop. Listing on OKX exchange in November. A highly anticipated airdrop event is just around the corner for citizens, offering a significant opportunity to boost token collections. The announcement highlights the importance of understanding the key factors that could influence the number of tokens users are eligible to receive. About SEED. Crypto Airdrop. SEED app is poised to become the next big gaming sensation on Telegram, far surpassing the typical tap-to-earn apps. As a leading Web3 social gaming platform, SEED app harnesses the extensive reach and engagement of the Telegram ecosystem to deliver an immersive and rewarding gaming experience. Players can engage in a variety of games, connect with others, and earn rewards seamlessly within the familiar Telegram environment. The platform's integration with Web3 technology ensures that users have true ownership of their in-game assets, which can be traded or utilized across different games and platforms. SEED app not only offers entertainment but also introduces players to the exciting world of decentralized gaming, where their efforts are genuinely rewarded. With its user-friendly design, innovative gameplay, and robust community features, SEED app is set to redefine the social gaming landscape on Telegram and beyond. Join SEED app and experience the future of gaming. What SEED Airdrop presents to token users. 1. For loyal citizens, this airdrop presents a chance to climb the rankings and secure an even bigger share of tokens. 2. Long-term participants have been encouraged to stay engaged, as continued activity could be rewarded generously in this upcoming drop. 3. Meanwhile, for new citizens, this event offers the perfect opportunity to jump in and grab their share of the SEED tokens. 4. The airdrop is set to arrive soon, and with the platform's growing community, there will be much more to look forward to after the token listing. Warning to SEED Airdrop token users. A crucial warning comes alongside the good news. If users haven't logged into the platform for more than 30 days, their accumulated SEED tokens are at risk of being burned before the airdrop. This means that inactive accounts could miss out on the event entirely if they don't log back in immediately. As the countdown to the airdrop continues, citizens are urged to stay active and keep collecting. By doing so, they can maximize their rewards and ensure they don't miss out on this exciting drop. SEED Telegram bot set for November listing on OKX exchange. Exciting news for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. SEED bot, a unique token that has been gaining traction in the crypto community, is preparing for a big debut. The official listing is scheduled for early November on the popular OKX exchange. SEED Telegram bot has caught the eye of many due to its resemblance to popular tokens like $Bloom and $Hot. This upcoming listing will further increase its exposure to a wider audience, making it a potential hot token for investors to watch. The SEED Telegram bot team has been hard at work promoting the token, and they are confident this listing will drive interest and adoption. OKX, known for listing promising tokens, will serve as a major platform to bring SEED bot into the spotlight. The SEED community has been buzzing with excitement, eagerly anticipating the early November listing, which is expected to boost the token's market presence. For those looking to get more involved, SEED Telegram bot has also made it easy to connect directly with its community. Users can join the official SEED bot Telegram channel to stay up to date on the latest announcements and developments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto space, SEED bot could be worth considering as part of your portfolio, especially with its upcoming listing on a major exchange. Conclusion. This airdrop is a pivotal moment for the citizens community. Whether you're a long-term participant or a new member, the rewards are just within reach. But don't delay. Ensure your account remains active to avoid losing out on your SEED tokens. Other than this, SEED listing on OKX exchange is set for November as per the announcement on SEED Telegram and Twitter official account. So for more, stay engaged and keep climbing.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.